Here we have Lot B49, a 1981 Corvette Coupe. Odometer reads 5,632 miles. It is beige and dark bronze over saddle interior. It also has the sound bar. That is a very good addition to these cars. Power windows, power rear view mirrors. Very nice shape. Glass tops. Four-speed transmission, nice. Let's take a look under the hood. Yeah, it's all there. Get some highlights, rebuilt top end, new carpet, Gincana suspension, etc. Very nice condition. And that, by the way, is what is shown on the odometer, the mileage. Doesn't mean that it's actually 5,000 miles. Could have rolled over.